Okay, good morning students. My name is Lisa L. Bartola, your teacher for today. Our topic is force and motion investigating the properties of light. And you need to learn the three objectives. We have content standards, performance standards, and the last is the learning competency. In the content standards, the learners demonstrate an understanding of how light is reflected or refracted. And in the performance standards, the learners should be able to observe how light is reflected or refracted. And the last is the learning competency, which is describe how light is reflected or refracted. And after that, I will give you 5 minutes to answer the activity 1. Okay, done. Now, let's come to activity 2. It's time to experiment. What you need, class, are transparent glass, pencil, and water. And what you need to do? First, half fill the glass with water. Then second, place the pencil in the glass of water. View the pencil first on top by placing your place above the mouth of the glass, and then view the pencil at the side. After that, you need to record your observations from each position in your science notebook. Okay, let's come now to the first picture. Look at this pencil. When you take out the pencil from the water, is it straight or bent? Okay, is it bent? After your observations about that activity, you will answer the 4 questions based on your own opinion. Okay, done. Okay, let's come now to our discussion on how light is reflected or refracted. While light traveling through one material reaches a second materials, some of the light will enter the second materials. At that point at which the light enters the second materials, the light will bend and travel in a different direction than the incident. Okay, look at this first picture. What can you see as you look at the pencil from the top on one side? Okay, when you look at the pencil from the top on one side, the pencil appearance bent at the water surface. How about in the picture number 2? When you took it out of the glass, was it really straight or not? Okay, it was really straight. Okay, very good. And in the last picture, what happened when part of it was placed in the glass of water? It looked what? Okay, it looked bent. It even appeared as it was cut and its lower end was bigger. Okay, very good, class. But when you raise the pencil and touch it, it was not bent. As you look at the pencil, the top part of the pencil came directly to your eyes. Light rays from the bottom part passed first through the surface between the water and the air. The rays are refracted. Refraction is the bending of light as it travels from one type of materials to another, like from air to water. After all of those questions and observations, we're not totally done, my dear students. We had the last activity, which is true or false. Our direction is write T if the statement is correct and write if the statement is wrong. Number 1. As you look at the pencil from the top or on one side, the pencil appeared bent at the water surface. Is it true or false? Okay, number 2. Refraction is the bending of light as it travels from one type of materials to another, like from air to water. Is it true or false? The number 3. If you took out the water from the glass, the pencil becomes bent. Is it true or false? And the last is The appearance of the pencil didn't change when you took it out of the glass. Is it true or false? Okay, class, very good.